There's Caleb. There's Kizzy. That's Kizzy. That's a girl. There's Caleb. They're 9 weeks old. Their mom is a Great Pyrenees. Their dad is a Bernese Mountain Dog. We call them Ozark Mountain Dogs, but they're also called a Great Bernese. We've done this mix for 14 years. Been very healthy, hardy. Go play, guys. Yeah, just play under my feet. Are you happy, buddy? Caleb, are you cute? Yeah. Kizzy's going to be a little darker than what we normally have, which will be really pretty. And you have Kellen, who is a sweetheart. All sweethearts. That's Kellen, she's a light blue girl. Caleb, Kizzy. They have their second shots. They are people-loving babysitters. Fun, sweet babies. Doing good on their pottying. There's the 3 of them. 2 girls, 1 boy available. Ready to go anytime. We can ship. Very attentive. Good longevity. Good health. And I hope you enjoy them. Girly girls. There's Kellen. I think you're cute. I think you're cute. Caleb. Hey, buddy. That's Kellen.